Looking back at my Toyota Pavilion at the Tokyo Motor Show, what attracts me most inside the pavilion isn't the cars of the adult world, but this little kid's car called the KidsMobi. I just interviewed the engineer. This is probably the information that is currently available. This car is definitely not allowed to be driven on regular public roads, because everyone knows, driving on public roads requires a valid driver's license. This car is suitable for children under the age of 10. I learned an approximate height. Only children below this height can sit in it. The ball on both sides is used for the corresponding control of the car. What's interesting is that this car can also be set up by parents through their mobile phones. It's kind of like a child sitting in and parent driving the car.
It's also a bit like the kind of chairs our kids used to sit in when they were little. Toyota made it into a very futuristic style. The engineer also told me that it is not just a transportation function. Otherwise, wouldn't we just make a smaller version of the remote control car? It actually has some pet-like functions. It's like a robot pet living at home. It is also like the means of transportation for children at home. Of course your home has to be bigger. At the same time, it will also have some corresponding interactions with children. Look at it after the hood is closed. Its eyes can shine. The whole thing is actually very similar to a physical toy and pet that can interact with each other. It has a function of a small transportation for children at home. It can be driven to drive. So I think Toyota is people-oriented, and at the same time, they build cars in the hope of meeting the actual needs of various users. I guess, it's such a complex of toy cars and pets. If it's really to market, I think kids all over the world are going to be crazy with joy.